Hi guys! Today we will be looking at regular word types. V stands for vowel and the C stands for consonants. VC words. Words that begin with a continuous sound. Examples: am, at, is. CVC words. Words that begin with a continuous sound. Examples: fan, map, Sam. CVC words. Words that begin with a stop sound. Examples: 10, hit, damn. CCVC words. Words that begin with a consonant blend. Examples: frog, snap. CCVC words. Words that begin with two continuous sound. Examples: flat, slap. CCVC words. Words that have stop sound in the consonant blend. Examples: crib, stop. VCC words. Words that begin with continuous sound. Examples: and, end. CVCC words. Words that begin with continuous sound. Examples: lamp, mist. CVCC words. Words that begin with a stop sound and end with a consonant blend. Examples: ban, gust, pest. CCVCC words. For example, cramp, grass, snack. CCCVC words. Example: split, scrap. CCCVCC words. Strand, splash. Thank you very much, everyone. I really hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with reading. You will also find videos to help you with grammar. And don't forget that our decodable books are available on Amazon. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!